Hello everyone and welcome dear all in mathematics class. Yes, and today we will study the chapter profit and loss. We will see some relevant formulas which we will use to solve the questions of profit and loss. Okay, and also we will see some word problems. Okay, and it is here third video for this week. Okay, so now let's start students and concentrate here. So you can see that what given. First of all, some relevant formula we will see that Cp equals to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into Sp. 100 by 100 plus gain percent into Sp means selling price. Okay, now Cp equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percent means in case of loss you will use this formula, and in case of gain percent you will use the above formula. So Cp equals to, you can see that Cp equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percent, the value of loss percent, okay, into Sp. So that suppose that loss is 10%, then you will use only 10 here. 100 minus 10 means 90. Similarly here, if loss is 20%, gain is 20%, so you will use only 20. 100 plus 20. Okay, 20% you will not write. That is the gain percent value. Now this formula I have discussed in previous video, that gain percent equals to gain by Cp into 100, and the loss percent is loss by cost price into 100, because the gain and loss both depends upon Cp. Gain and loss, you will say that both are depending upon the cost price only. Okay, so now we are going to see some questions, that find the cost price of an article for which selling price is 4,400 and gain is 10%. The gain is 10%. So what you will do, you will first write that the given things in the question, that selling price is 4,400 and the gain percent is 10%. Okay, then we will have this formula, that cost price equals to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. Into selling price, this Sp is showing the selling price. Okay, now that is equals to 100 by 100 plus 10. 100 by 100 plus 10 means 100 by 110 into 4,400. So this you will solve, then you can see that 1 0 from here, and from here you will cut. Okay, now this 11 will cut this 4,400. 11 into 4 times 44, and then 2 zeros are remaining. So 10 into 400 means you will get 4,000. Okay, so that means the cost price is 4,000. This you will get. So you will get that 4,000. So you have seen that if there is gain and the selling price is 4,400, and you know that in the case of gain, the cost price is less than the selling price. So obviously you can see here that 4,000, it is less than the selling price 4,400. So it is the case of gain. You can find also that 400 is the gain, and the gain percent also you can find, because Cp you are knowing now, Cp is 4,000, so that will come 10% only. So you can check that also. So using this formula you can find the cost price when the selling price and gain percent you know. Okay, so the cost price is 4,000, and now we will see the next question, that find the cost price of a table for which selling price is rupees 5,600 and the loss percent is 20%. Then you will write that selling price is 5,600, that is given, and the loss is 20%. So you will use this formula, that cost price equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into Sp. Sp is the selling price here. So we will put the value, loss percent value is 20%. So you can use that value 100 minus 20. You will not write 20%, you will write only 20. that is loss percent value. So 100 minus 100 by 100 minus 20 into 5600, that is the selling price. Then 100 by 80 into 5600, this you will solve, then you will get that 7000 rupees. You can cut that 8 into 7 times 56 will cut 1 0 and 1 0 first you will cancel, and then 8 into 70 time is 56 560, then 100 into 70 is 7000 rupee. So when the selling price is 5600 and the loss is 20%, then the cost price is 7000. Obviously the cost price will be greater here in the case of loss. So the 7000 is greater than 5600 selling price. Okay, now we will see the next question, that the selling price of 12 pence is equal to the cost price of 15 pence. Then find the gain percent. Now in this question, this is a little bit different question, that we will use the unitary method also to solve this question. Okay, so for using that unitary method, first you will write, let the cost price of one pen, that means each pen is rupee 1. Each pen cost rupees 1. Then you can write that cost price of 12 pence is 12 only, because one pen price is rupees 1. So in question written that selling price of 12 pence is equal to the cost price of 15 pence. So that you can write that selling price of 12 pence is equal to cost price of 15 pence, and the cost price of 15 pence is rupees 15, because we know that the cost price of each pen is rupees 1. So therefore cost price of 15 pence will be rupee 15 here. Now you consider, only you think about 12 pence. Only you have to think about the 12 pence, just forget the 15 pence. So you will see that cost price of 15 pence is rupees 12 and the selling price of 12 pence is rupees 15, which is equal to cost price of 15 pence. But the selling price of 12 pence is 15 and cost price of 12 pence is 12. So it is case of gain, because 15 is greater than 12, that means selling price is greater than cost price. So gain equals to selling price minus cost price minus equals to 15 minus 12, means 3 rupees gain here. Gain is selling price minus cost price, that is 15 minus 12 is rupees 3 is the gain. Now 3 rupees gain, then find the gain percent. You will use this formula, that gain equals to gain by cost price into 100. So gain is 3 rupees, so you will write that 3 by 12 into 100. So you will cut that 3 into 1 time and that 3 into 4 time. Okay, you will write that 4 times. Now this 4 you will cut 25, 4 and 25 you will cancel, so the 25% answer is coming here. So the gain percent is 25%. Okay, so this way you can solve the questions of this profit and loss. What problems you can solve, students, the questions. And now for your homework, you can solve the question number 7 to 11 of exercise 11A. Question number 7 to 11 and also question number 3 of exercise 11A. And do watch this video for understanding this chapter nicely. Okay, the different types of questions what I have explained, and learn the formulas also. So that's all, and thank you all of you for watching this. Okay, and have a nice day.